In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters to your Shopify store. Filters make it much easier for your customers to find exactly what they're looking for. So setting them up properly is really worth the effort. I'll walk you through where to find them, how to create new ones, and how to make sure they actually show up on your live store. First, go to your Shopify admin. On the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left and scroll down to your apps. Find the app called Search and Discovery and click on it. Once you're inside that app, look for the section called Filters and click that. This is where all your store's filters are managed. You'll now see the filters that are already available. Usually, availability and price appear by default, as long as you have products in your store. You didn't have to add these yourself. If you want to change the order of the filters, hover over the small vertical ellipsis or 3 dots next to a filter label. Your cursor will turn into a hand. Click, drag, and drop the filter into a new position. To edit any filter that already exists, simply click on its name to open its settings. To add a brand new filter, click the Add Filter button. Then click Add Source. Here, you'll see different product attributes you can use as filter sources, such as brand, category, material, or any other custom options you've set on your products. Choose the one you want to use. Shopify will automatically fill in the filter label based on the source you picked, but you can rename it if you'd like it to read differently on your storefront. Next, choose the logic for your filter, or and. Or logic includes products that match at least one of the selected values, which is more flexible. And logic only includes products that match every selected value, which is more restrictive. Use whichever best fits how you want customers to refine their results. The filter values, like specific brands or materials, will be pulled automatically from your existing product data. You can also decide whether the values are sorted automatically or manually. Keep in mind, if you don't actually set a filter source or your products don't have values for that source, the filter won't work properly. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Now let's enable these filters on your storefront. On the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin, click Online Store, then go to Themes and click Edit Theme on your current theme. At the top of the theme editor, open the page selector and choose Collections, then select your default collection template. On the collection page preview, click on the product grid section. In the left-hand settings panel, scroll down until you find the filtering and sorting section. Toggle on filters. Then choose your preferred filter layout. Horizontal will display filters above your product cards. Vertical will show them in a sidebar. Drawer layout will show a filter button above your products that opens a panel from the side with all your available filters. Once you've picked the layout you like, click Save. Finally, go to the preview of your online store and navigate to a collection page. Check that your filters appear, try selecting a few options, and make sure the products update correctly. If something doesn't look right, go back into the Search and Discovery app and your theme editor to adjust the settings until everything works smoothly.